Today is Thursday, February 17, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for Portland. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 49 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 73%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got light breeze at about 3 miles per hour. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Oregon news, how to solder electronics. This article was co-authored by Ralph Childers. Ralph Childers is a master electrician based in the Portland, Oregon area. With over 30 years of conducting and teaching electrical work. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but a visit to Intel's D1X fab, next generation EUV process nodes. On a recent trip to the U.S., I decided to spend some time crisscrossing the nation for a couple of industry events and SP. And some of the time visiting friends and peers. That's it, Oregon. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM API), which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).